Are you having trouble doing a zero-G chaplain? Does the thought of doing one fill you with rage and anger? If so, then do I have the solution for you. Introducing the Ice Pop. This new and improved trick uses zero-G chaplain and Icepick aerial technology to create a truly unique trick. The over-rotation of a rogue chaplain will position the knife into the perfect position for an Icepick aerial. Now, you can pretend that you meant to have the knife fly off your finger in confidence. But our team of dedicated scientists didn't stop there. After studying the blade for countless hours, they discovered the Ice Pop could be done vertically. And because our guys in marketing insisted on making this the best deal possible, we are offering the zero-G chaplain and Icepick aerial tutorial to you, free of charge. Links in the description below.